Hello, my name is Prasad Gadkari and today we are going to see the unboxing of Orchem teaching aid. It's a chemistry teaching aid kit and we are going to see what's inside the box. Let us take a quick look at what is inside. This is a carbon molecule and this is also a carbon molecule. This is also a carbon molecule, but there are differences. This is a hydrogen molecule. So we are going to make methane out of it. Now methane has got 4 hydrogen, CH4. So this is 4 and this is 5. Both are carbon molecules, but there is a difference. This is an sp3 hybridized carbon molecule. This is a normal one. So we will be using this for making methane. So CH1, CH2, CH3 and CH4. Now this is one methane. If you use similar molecule, you can make ethane also. Now this is another. This is ethane. I'll show you how ethane is getting produced. Now, if we remove one hydrogen and connect it with a connector to, this is perfectly an ethane. So, this is how a child can learn how to make molecules out of these atoms. This is chlorine. So hydrochloric acid, you just cannot fix it. So there is a connector. It's a different type of connector that is placed inside. I'll have to find out. Just give me 1 minute. And yes. Hydrochloric acid. It's like that. So this is how a child will learn how to make different molecules, and this is how this chemistry kit is useful. Now I will remove it and put it back and pack it for you so that I can take it to a different place and show a similar demonstration. Thank you very much.